Hello, everyone, and welcome to the English Nest podcast. I'm Leo.
And hello from me, Anna. We are so happy you are here with us today.
We know that learning a new language can feel difficult sometimes, but our job is to make it feel easy and fun.
Exactly. We want to help you feel strong and, confident when you speak English.
Today, we are going to do a deep dive into simple English for real life.
Yes, we'll be talking about the words and phrases you really need every single day.
We're going to look at how to talk about your job.
And how to talk about your morning.
And also how to talk about those small, funny little problems that happen to all of us.
Our mission today is very simple. We want to find the most useful phrases for you.
Phrases you can start using today.
And we promise we will speak very slowly. We'll use simple words, clear words.
So you can just relax, listen, and understand everything.
Okay, so before we really jump in.
Yes, let's just pause for 1 minute. We want to say hello to you, our listener.
We do. How are you today? We really hope you're having a wonderful day.
And if you are enjoying learning English with us in this slow way, could you click the like button?
It's just a small click for you, but it helps our show so much. It helps other learners find us.
It really does. And if this is your first time listening,
a very big, warm welcome to you. We are so happy you found the English Nest podcast.
Please be sure to subscribe. That way you won't miss any of our new chats.
And if you know someone, maybe a friend or someone in your family who is also learning English,
please share this with them.
Yes, because learning with someone else is always, a little easier.
And more fun.
Thank you so much. Now, let's begin. Let's talk about daily English.
Where should we start?
Let's start with the real basics. Introducing yourself.
Ah, yes. The first question people always ask, what is your name?
It's a simple question, right? But sometimes names can be a little confusing.
That's true. Our sources show that many people use a shorter name, a nickname.
Right. So, for example, a man named Joseph might say,
call me Joe. Just J-O-E. Much shorter. Exactly.
Yeah.
Or a woman named Charlotte might prefer Charlie.
C-H-A-R-L-I-E. Yes, it feels a little more friendly, maybe.
Or Oliver becomes
Oli. O-L-I.
It's good to know this so you're not confused if someone tells you a short name.
And sometimes you need to spell your name, especially if it's not a common name in English.
That's a great point. So my last name is Lewis. I would say it slowly. L-E-W-I-S.
Or if your family name is Adams, you would spell it A-D-A-M-S. It's a very good skill to practice.
Okay, so after your name, the next big question is,
what do you do? Or what do you do for work?
This is about your job, your profession. And we have some really good, simple examples.
Let's start with one from the sources that is, well, a very hard job, the farmer.
The farmer. A farmer works on a farm.
Right, which is a very big area of land outside.
And a farmer works with animals, like cows or sheep.
And it is a tiring job. The sources say farmers work very long hours.
Yes, maybe from 6 in the morning.
Wow, 6 a.m.
All the way until 9 at night.
That is a very long day.
It is. Okay, another very important job, the nurse.
The nurse. A nurse works in a hospital.
Or maybe a smaller place, like a clinic.
And they work with patients.
Patients are people who are sick.
Yes, or hurt. And nurses help them. They take care of them.
A very important job.
It is. Okay, what about the mechanic?
Ah, the mechanic. A mechanic works in a garage.
And a garage is the place you take your car.
When it's broken.
Yes.
The mechanic knows how to fix it. They have all the right tools.
Okay, next one. The teacher.
Ah, a job we understand well.
We do. A teacher works in a school.
Or a college, and they teach students.
They can teach many things. English, music, history.
Anything, really. A teacher helps people to learn.
What about another job that is outside, like the farmer?
The gardener.
Right, the gardener.
The gardener works outside with plants and flowers and trees.
They make our parks and gardens look beautiful.
It's a nice job if you love being in the sun.
Okay, a more creative job now. The actor.
Ooh, the actor. An actor works in a theater. Or on television, maybe.
And they pretend to be other people. They tell stories.
A very fun job, I think.
Yes. And finally, what if you don't have a paid job? You might be a
student.
Exactly. A student goes to college or to the library.
And you study. You learn about chemistry or maybe art or history.
That's a great list of jobs. So useful to know.
It is. So let's move on from who you are to what you do each day.
Daily routines. And to talk about routines, you need to know how to talk about time.
Yes. Telling the time is so important. Let's keep it simple.
Okay. If it is, for example, 7-0, the long hand is on the 12, the shorthand on the 7.
You can say it's 7 o'clock.
OCLOCK.
O'clock. Or,
Yeah.
An even easier way is just, it's 7.
Right. Very common, very fast.
Now, what about 30 minutes past the hour, like 11:30?
Well, there are two good ways. You can say it's 11:30.
Half past, because 30 minutes is half of an hour.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Or you can just say the numbers. It's 11:30.
I think that's the simplest way, isn't it?
It is very clear. And what about 15 minutes? Like 4.15.
Okay, so you can say it's 4:15.
A quarter. Because 15 minutes is 1/4 of an hour.
Right. Or, again, the simple way.
You just say the numbers.
It's 4:15.
Both are correct, and people use both all the time.
So now we can tell the time. Let's talk about a daily work routine.
We often hear about a 9-to-5 job.
Mm-hmm. What does that mean?
It means you start work at 9 in the morning, 9 a.m.
And you finish at 5 in the evening, 5 p.m.
It's a very standard, very normal work schedule for many people.
But not for everyone, right? We talked about the farmer.
Exactly. The farmer's routine is very different, from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m.
A very long day.
So after work, we all need to relax a little.
Yes. That is also part of a routine. Our sources gave some nice, simple examples.
Some people go to the gym, maybe on a Friday after work.
That's a good way to relax your body and your mind.
Or maybe they do a sport, like they play tennis on Mondays.
Or they play soccer with their friends on the weekend. Weekends are Saturday and Sunday.
Right. Or maybe your routine is much quieter. You just want to relax on Sunday.
And read the newspaper.
That sounds lovely.
These are all routines, things you do again and again.
Okay, let's look at another important thing for daily talk. Saying what belongs to you.
Yes, simple possessives, using words like my or our.
So if I have a cat, I can say, this is my cat.
She belongs to you.
Yes. Her name is Priscilla. She is my cat.
And if we have a dog together,
Then we would say, that is our dog.
our means he belongs to us, to you and to me.
And his name is Rex. That is our dog, Rex.
There are two other useful words, mine and yours.
Oh, these are very helpful, especially when you're in a hurry.
Right. Imagine it's morning. You need to leave for work. There are lots of things on the table.
You pick up your bag and say, this purse is mine. It belongs to me.
And then you see the sandwiches for lunch. You say to your friend, but these sandwiches are yours.
They belong to you.
It's good to be clear so you don't take the wrong lunch.
Speaking of being in a hurry in the morning.
Ah, yes. The
Yeah.
crazy morning, when everything goes wrong. I think everyone has had one of these.
Oh, definitely. And it's great for practice because you can describe simple problems and your feelings.
Let's tell a little story of a bad morning using examples from our sources.
Okay, so first problem. You wake up late
Oh no, why?
because your alarm, it did not ring.
That's the worst start to a day. You feel stressed right away.
So you run to the door, you need to leave, but the door is stuck.
It won't open.
No. You push it, you pull it, you might even say, please, door open, but nothing.
That's so frustrating.
Yeah.
Okay, you finally get the door open. You run for the bus.
You run so fast like you are in the Olympics.
And you get to the bus stop?
And the bus leaves.
Yeah.
1 second before you get there.
You missed the bus. Oh, what a bad feeling.
It is. And then maybe a small accident happens.
Like what?
You have a bottle of orange juice and you drop it.
And it smashes on the floor.
Yes. Now there is a big, sticky orange mess everywhere. And you are even later.
This is a terrible morning.
And it gets worse. You start walking to work and it starts to rain.
Of course it does. A lot of rain.
Yes, very heavy rain. And you don't have an umbrella.
So you are just walking in the rain, getting all wet.
When so many bad
Proud.
things happen one after another, there's a simple phrase for that feeling.
This is a good one to learn.
It is. You can say, just my luck.
So when the door is stuck, you can say to yourself, oh, great, just my luck.
Exactly. It means you feel unlucky, like these bad things always happen to you. It's a simple way to show you were frustrated.
But, sometimes a bad situation can actually lead to something good.
Yes, and there's a beautiful phrase for this. It's an idiom.
Every cloud has a silver lining,
A cloud brings rain, so the cloud is the bad part.
but the silver lining, that's the bright, beautiful light around the edge of the cloud, the good part.
It means something good can come from a bad situation.
So let's use the example. You missed the bus. That's the cloud. That's bad.
But because you missed it, you decide to walk.
And while you are walking, you find a cute little dog to say hello to.
Or you see a beautiful flower. And that makes you smile.
So the bad thing, missing the bus, led to a good thing, a happy moment.
That's the silver lining.
I like that one. It's very hopeful.
It is. Okay, so now we can talk about problems. Let's talk about sharing our opinions.
Yes, and comparing two different things. This is when we use comparative adjectives.
Let's use travel as an example. Say we are comparing two places, Costa Rica and the Bahamas.
Okay. We could say Costa Rica is hotter than the Bahamas.
Hotter. We add to the end of hot to compare. It means it has more heat.
We could also say Costa Rica is more exciting than the Bahamas.
With a long word like exciting, we don't add we put the word more in front of it.
Right. More exciting. Let's compare two hotels or resorts. Maybe one in Sicily and one in Greece.
We could say the resort in Sicily is bigger than the one in Greece.
Bigger. It is larger.
And maybe the resort in Sicily is more expensive.
More expensive. It costs more money.
We use these words all the time. For example, I love Italian food. For me, Italian food is tastier than Greek food.
Tastier. It has a better taste for you.
Exactly. So finally today, let's talk about how to give advice.
When a friend has a problem and you want to help them with a suggestion,
there's a very simple, very kind phrase we can use. You could.
So if your friend says, I really want to improve my English writing,
you can give a suggestion. You can say, well, you could read more English books.
That's a great suggestion. Or another one?
You could email a friend who lives in an English-speaking country.
Perfect for writing practice. What if the problem is different? I want to lose weight.
You can give simple advice. You could take the stairs instead of the elevator.
It's a small change, but it helps. Using you could is a very gentle, friendly way to give advice.
It's not too strong. It's just a helpful idea.
Okay, one last tip. This one is about being polite.
Oh, this is very important. When you ask for something,
especially when you are asking for a favor, English speakers can be indirect.
That's a good word. Indirect. So imagine you are at a hotel. You want to check out late.
If you say, I want a late checkout, it sounds a bit
rude. Too direct.
So the polite way is a little longer.
You should say, I was wondering if I could get a late checkout.
I was wondering if I could. It's so much softer, isn't it?
It is. It makes your request sound very gentle and respectful, and the hotel worker will be much happier to help you.
Wow. We have talked about so many useful things today.
We really have, from jobs and names.
But telling the time to crazy mornings.
And giving good advice.
So now it is your turn to practice.
We have two simple questions for you. A little bit of homework, but fun homework.
Question number 1. What is one small thing you do every day to relax?
Think about your daily routine. What makes you feel calm and happy?
And question number 2. What is a common daily problem that you have, and how do you solve it?
Maybe your alarm doesn't ring sometimes. What do? Do you set 2 alarms?
Please write your answers for us in the comment section below this video.
Use simple English sentences. It is such good practice for you. And we really, truly love reading your comments.
We do. We love to learn about your lives.
So please don't forget to subscribe to the English Nest podcast.
And give this deep dive a like if it was helpful for you.
And please share it with your friends who are also learning English.
Thank you so much for listening today. We hope you have a wonderful and happy day.
Yes. See you next time.